Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy. Today I'm going to be doing some crawling with my SCX 24. So first, I want to go over what I've done to this baby. So we're going to start with wheels and tires. So wheels and tires, I'm running Little Guy Racing Parts Swamp Kings, the smaller ones. I forget exactly how many millimeters they are. I think it's like 54, something like that. And then I'm running the Little Guy Racing Parts, what are these called? The Cyclone, the brass Cyclones. These are super heavy, nice to get some heavy weight down low. I'm also now moving up from there to the drivetrain. I'm running a Little Guy Racing Parts Reaper motor, I do believe, and a Injora brushed ESC. This thing has awesome control, awesome slow crawl. The combination of the Little Guy Racing Parts motor with the Injora ESC, super great combo. I'm running stock battery up front, custom cut tray, custom Velcro right here for the ESC. And then I'm running Emax servo in the front, the analog, and then I'm running a digital Injora servo in the back, because I have four-wheel steering. Then I'm running the Spectrum, what is this? How many channels is this? I think it's 6 channel. I'm running auxiliary number 1 for my rear steer. I'm using a DX3 for this, so I can't really run the other channels. I'm also running some, what are these? Oh, they're Power Hobby 58mm shocks, so this thing has a ton of flex. I can't use it all, I can only get about that much on rocks, just with its own weight. And then I have the half cab body from the C10. I have adjusted the wheelbase, so you may notice, I don't know if you can notice just from this, but I do have extended links. So I'm using C10 rears in the front, the rear links in the front, and then I made custom high clearance links out of steel nails for the back, and then a custom length drive shaft in the front. I think it's technically the same length as this one, sort of, but it's custom length, as you can see. Taped it, glued it, but yeah, custom Velcro mount for the center so this doesn't flop around. And that is what I've done to this vehicle. And right here we have a big rock pile, and we're gonna do some crawling. So let's get right to it. I haven't crawled in a while because this was at the Cape Crawler's King of the Course thing. I sent it to him. So I haven't crawled in a little bit, so we'll see how I do. So the goal is to get up onto this. Maybe if I go at an angle and then get, I usually have something under here to get up on. Let's do that. We've been working on throwing this rock pile away, but so the course is constantly changing. Okay, there we go. So right here I have to straddle this. So I think these have moved since the last time, because that looks farther away than I remember. Okay. Oh, something moved from over here. A big rock was moved from right here. So I don't know how it's gonna do there. Oh man. I'm not running any foams in the tires at this point. I wanted them to be super squishy. I'm trying to figure out where to put this because it's hard to drive and hold the camera at the same time. So we're gonna follow that route with the rears. At least try to. Oh, are we stuck? No, of course not. Where do I want to go from here? I could try to go up this. It's near vertical, honestly. Right here. But I guess I can try that. I am running stock axles, so it's not the widest stance. So I don't have the best side hill capabilities. Oh dear. No! Okay. Let's try it again. This time I'm gonna try to hook on that rock right there. Whoa! Okay, we're above that. Oh, that rock just moved. Okay. We're going up. Okay. Oh, I slipped. This is where having like a dig function on this car would be nice, but they don't make a dig function for this size. I want to try to make a dig function, because that would be super cool on a 1/24th scale vehicle to have dig. And if you don't know what dig is, it's basically, it locks the rear wheels, and then only the front wheels drive. Oh. Oh, it picked itself up and then threw itself over. I think there might be a line through here. Whoa, I went a bit too fast there and didn't think it through. Oh, oops, I turned the wheels the wrong direction. Okay. Let's see. Let's look back here, see what's back here. Oh, I've named this route right here, through here. I think I named it like Vulture Canyon or something like that. Because it's so difficult. man, this is hard. Oh man. I also haven't shown you this yet. I have a little crawler course I was working on building right here. So I have a mountain, I have these little rocks right here, and then I have this hill. So it's basically paper mache coated in thin set. And this is actually grout right there. That's why it's a different color. But it's a fun little course. So let's do it. I haven't done this one in a while either. This is actually pretty steep. Well, we're right on the edge. And then this very steep angle. This turn is the hardest turn of the whole course. Because you have to, I don't know that I've ever made it, honestly. Because you have to turn around it. You have to like go around. I think once I have a better side hilling capability, I'll be able to do that part. But but as you can tell, I haven't fully finished this course, but that is my crawler right there. I have some big plans for it. I want to put some Mayuse ISO, I think it's pronounced isokinetic, I think. Those axles, because they're wider and they have crazy steering angle. I also want to put like a FuryTech brushless system in here, or maybe a Little Guy Racing Parts brushless system, which I think is a FuryTech one rebranded for Little Guy Racing Parts. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to put in the Mayuse 8-channel radio system. Inexpensive radio, and I hear they're pretty good. Yeah, that's my SCX-24. If you guys want to see it get even crazier, make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below, and I hope to see you in the next video.